Okay, welcome to Algebra Top 10. I'm your host, Professor Ed Berger, right here on Math TV. Let's take a look and count down as we look at the number 10 top classic algebra mistakes. Let's see what they are. Some are moving up the charts pretty fast. Let's take a listen. Coming in at number 10 is the old classic squaring the negative mistake. A minus ain't squared unless it's been snared. Great lyrics, great song. Coming in at number 10. Number 9 is that classic country, the log mistake, with those great lyrics. A log of a sum is not the sum of the logs. Let's take a listen to that little peek right here, right now.
The log of the sum ain't the sum of the log. Number 9. Number 9.
What a great hit. That's going to certainly move up even higher from number 9. Let's take a look at number 8. Coming in at number 8 is that old-time classic, the shifting function mistake. And remember those great lyrics, add to y, go high, add to x, go west. Let's take a little peek to us, just a little teeny bit of that song right now.
If you add to y, you better go high.
You better go high.
If you add to x,
If you add to x,
you better go west.
What a great hit. That one is going to be zooming up the charts, I bet you, anytime soon. Coming in at number 7, staying at number 7, in fact, it's dropped recently from number 6 to number 7, is multiplying an inequality mistake with their famous lyrics, multiplying an inequality by a negative flips the inequality. And remember, kids, don't trust any unknown to be positive. They may be negative. Coming in at number 6, moving up the charts really fast, is that pop rock classic, soon to be classic, soon to be solid gold, I predict, the exponent mistake. With those classic lyrics, when in doubt, write it out. Let's listen to them right now.
When in doubt, write it out. When in doubt, write it out. When in doubt, write it out. Oh yeah.
That is going to be gold, folks. That is going to be gold. Coming in at number 5 this week is that jazzy new hit, the fractional exponent mistake. Don't flip over roots. Let's take a little listen to that.
Don't flip over the root. 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 Don't flip over the. Don't flip over the root. Don't flip over the root. Don't flip over the root.
That is just classic, hot, sizzling jazz. I love it. Coming in at number 4 is that Alpine classic, a little bit sort of off the mark for our usual listeners, but it's pretty cool nonetheless. It's the subtracting mistake. Don't forget to share the minus and share the negativity. Let's listen to this Alpine classic.
Spread the negativity. Spread the negativity. Spread the negativity.
What a wonderful one, especially for your parents out there. They love that one. Coming in at number 3 this week, not moving at all, is the canceling mistake. Remember, cancel factors, not some individual term that's being added on top and bottom. Coming in at number 2, moving up the charts here, is that postmodern pop, the quadratic mistake. Remember, exponent 2 answers 2. Let's hear them sing it.
Number
Exponents 2 answers 2. 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 Exponents 2 answers 2.
All right, and now we are up to the number 1 classic mistake of all of algebra. It's a classic, all right, and it's going to be that gospel classic, the squaring mistake. Don't forget to FOIL. Here we go. Number 1.
Number 1. Number 1.
brothers and sisters, don't make that squaring mistake, and don't forget to foil.
Well, those are the classic mistakes of all of college algebra and mathematics in general, and we're hoping that those are going to change real soon, and soon the classic mistakes will be just nothing, and I can just sit here and talk to you like this without having nothing to say, because in fact there'll be no classic mistakes because no one will make any mistakes at all. Until then, I'm your host, Mr. Ed Berger on Math TV, counting down Algebra Top 10. I'll see you next week.